बीन टोल्ड आई एम अ कॉकरोच, तो मैं कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी को सपोर्ट करने के लिए यहाँ पे आई हूँ. इट्स माय फर्स्ट डे दो, बट आई एम हियर फॉर सोनम वांगचुक. क्या
और ये बीच में जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से अलग अलग लोग आके सपोर्ट करते हैं, डू यू थिंक इट इज हेल्पिंग और इट इज डाइल्यूटिंग द इशू?
I think it will help initially, of course, but at the end of the day, no political party should have that much of power to, divert the agenda divert the public from the main agenda, that is the mass killing of, the students and the corrupted system. So I feel if the political parties are involved for a good cause without endorsing their own political party and supporting the cause, then it's good to go. However, if that is not the scenario, जो कि हमेशा होता है कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज अपने पार्टीज को ही एंडोर्स करते हैं, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. हम वैसा नहीं होने देंगे.
एंड डू यू थिंक अगर आगे गवर्नमेंट का यही रवैया रहता है, गवर्नमेंट अगर कुछ भी ऐसा अपना स्टैंड कुछ क्लियर नहीं करती है, कोई एक्शन नहीं लेती है, तो व्हाट कैन बी द फर्दर एक्शंस दैट कैन बी टेकन बाय सीजेपी और स्टूडेंट्स लाइक अस और एवरीवन सिटीजंस ऑफ इंडिया? व्हाट कैन वी डू फर्दर? क्योंकि अभी ऑलमोस्ट 1 महीना होने वाला है, लास्ट मंथ 20th से चल रहा है. 1 महीने में गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कोई स्टेटमेंट भी नहीं आया है ना. तो अगर यही रहता है तो ये अनशन हम कब तक? We cannot push him to do it indefinitely.
We cannot push him to death. That is what the government wants.
Point of doing अनशन, अगर उसका कोई पॉइंट ही नहीं, कुछ आ ही नहीं रहा है, तो इससे बेटर है कि खा के फिर दूसरी तरह से प्रोटेस्ट किया जाए, दूसरा कोई अप्रोच यूज किया जाए.
Actually, what they want, I think what they want from us is that they want कि God forbid, but they want somebody to die, and then they want us to get violent, and they want to use that against the entire protest. कि ये देखो अब तो ये violent हो रहा है, अब तो all of those things, they want to do that to us. But again, like Sonam Wangchuk, even Abhijit, they all want a peaceful protest, right? So the protest has been very peaceful, but it cannot come at the cost of killing somebody, an environmentalist, a scientist. It cannot come at the cost of students' life. So the government has to answer. We have appointed him to serve us, to serve the citizens of the country. So he has to be answerable. Dharmendra Pradhan has to be answerable. People in power should be held accountable for all the wrong that they are doing to the commoners and to the taxpayers of the country.
And to answer the question that you asked about
Next step that we can take.
no, the one that how long it will keep going on.
Yeah.
So it's a very good example that we have is a farmer protest. They have also risked their lives, and many of them have given their life for that protest. And at the end of the time, the government had to listen to them. So as long as we believe in ourselves, the protest should go on. It should be peaceful. It should not go violent, but it should keep going on until the government answers thoroughly and take the appropriate actions.
But there is one other example जहाँ पे गंगा प्रोटेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग
Yeah.
सामने 119 दिन अनशन पे बैठे थे, and finally he died and nothing happened even after death. Only one tweet came from prime minister.
इसका एक बेटर एग्जांपल ये भी है कि शहीद भगत सिंह जो थे, उनके पास दो प्लान थे. उनके पास ये प्लान भी था कि ब्लास्ट करने के बाद वो भाग सकते हैं. एक ये प्लान भी था कि वो मैक्सिमम इनपुट अपना डाल के और अपना आउटपुट क्लोज कर देंगे, अपने आप को शहीद कर देंगे. तो इट्स बेसिकली ऑन द माइंडसेट ऑफ द पर्सन हु इज पुटिंग आउट हिमसेल्फ.
मतलब we are looking for professor, I don't remember his name.
Yeah.
जो गंगा क्लीनिंग प्रोसेस में
Yes,
जिन्होंने
I
तो हम वैसे पॉइंट पे जाना चाह रहे हैं कि अनशन चलती ही रहेगी.
No.
और we are looking for some other options also.
No.
Like we can we go to courts? Is judiciary an option?
Yeah. Definitely judiciary is an
Multiple
option.
papers have been leaked over time. Last almost 10 years में more than 100 papers have been leaked. तो पहली बात तो जुडिशरी को खुद से इन्वॉल्व होकर इस पर एक्शन लेना चाहिए.
Definitely.
Is there any way we can go to and stop him from being tortured?
So actually I do agree with her follow-ups around this question. So what was the basic question? Yeah, keep going on. Why do we need to
चालू रखने से
keep
एक
letting them?
health पे इतना
Yeah,
असर पड़ रहा है
yeah, yeah.
तो उसको अनशन नहीं करके दूसरा कोई तरीका नहीं निकाला जा सकता। जैसे अभी तो हमारे पास 20 तारीख को संसद मार्च का
It should be better that people are trying to convince him to eat something because they don't want to lose him. Because he is very important to us and he is a very genuine figure and from which the future generation can admire and inspire from, right? So the people are trying to convince him, but it's his resolution that he does not want to break it, right? What we can do on our individual support, we can present our individual support to him. However we can come to Jantar Mantar, or even if the people do not have any being to come to Jantar Mantar, they can keep following up on social media platforms and keep supporting him throughout that as well.
that is not helping till now. Hopefully after 20th, hopefully.
Hopefully the things will change, as Chandrasekhar Azad has also said.
After that, if things doesn't change, even after that, what we can do as commoners is that amongst us, हमारे बीच में भी ऐसे लोग हैं जो लोग lawyers हैं, who have studied law, the legal process. So maybe we can all come together
They can also
and
help.
you know they can be the
Why to delay that till 20th? मतलब
We can-
as a party, as a protest of CJP, where the big faces there are, they should start initiating these things. Firstly,
start
only
have
the why-
backups. Yes,
Why
yes.
to delay these things?
Ji, that's true. That's true.
Actually, what also needs to happen is the other political leaders like Chandrasekhar Azad has showed his support after coming here, and he said that I do not want to endorse my party. I'm here for the students, and I want to support the protest genuinely, right? So Rahul Gandhi is also arranging a protest in Dehradun as well. So if it's good. So he should also hosting the protest as well, but he should also be joining this protest.
Yeah, but why
Yeah.
no prominent
Keeping the behind-
Congress is also not joined.
Yeah.
It would be beneficial for them also.
Yeah,
I don't
they should leave the political agendas behind of them, and they should join.
This is humanitarian ground.
Yeah.
There are 12 students who have died. मतलब उन्होंने suicide कर दिया.
20.
20 people have died. No,
Achha,
12 students.
21 children have
21 children have already taken their lives. I mean, this is serious. I mean, उन लोगों ने dog protest को तो कोई भाव नहीं दिया, कुत्ता बोल के छोड़ दिया. इंसानों को तो भाव दो. Come on, please. Like literally, अगर आपके मोदी जी, अगर आपके घर में जो कोई भी है, वो अगर ऐसे कोई डॉक्टर जो इस सिस्टम से निकलता है, उनके हाथों आपके कोई रिलेटिव आ जाए, उनको तो कुछ नहीं आता होगा ना, सर्जरी वर्जरी किसी चीज का, तो फिर तो वो मर जाएंगे. And then you are the one who will be accountable. And just like that, if there are other citizens of the country who will be treated by doctors who are not educated enough, who do not qualify for those exams because of the paper leak, and it will be on you. You will be slaughtering people like you have done before also.
Actually, मोदी जी के फैमिली से किसी को कुछ होगा तो वो नहीं मरेंगे. They'll go to other country.
They'll go to of course, because they are privileged and they will, of course, they have the power of privilege. That's the whole point. Yes.
Thank you. Nice talking to you.